All right, guys, it's Ricardo, and I'm here with Diego. We're going to remove a basketball goal. How to remove a basketball goal, Diego's going to show you. Go ahead, Diego. First thing you always want to do is take the water out of these things. See, they're so heavy. 90% of them have water in them. He's going to take out the water right now. There it is, getting out, and there it is. There's the water coming out. Yeah, they always have water inside of them. These things always have water or sand, but 90% of them have water. So rarely you're gonna catch one with sand, but when we do, it's a bitch too, because you got to throw it out. So he's gonna show you how to load it. Go ahead, Diego, load it up, man. While I do this, I do the hard part, and the hard part is recording him do this. So what he's gonna do is, I always recommend you put that part inside the truck first, okay? Oh, he's taking more stuff out. It looks like there was sand in it. Is it really heavy? Oh shit. So, wow. It's got sand inside of it too. You want to make a hole in it? So that's what we're going to do. I think what we're going to have to do is put a hole through it. And where's the cutters? Is it back here? Wow, look how much sand is coming out of here. Wow, look at that. Wow, there's a lot of sand in it. Well, anyway, guys, this is what we do. We come out to people's houses. We remove basketball goals. This is a fee right here. This is what we charge, $75 to remove any size basketball goal. Any size basketball goal, whether it has water or sand. This one has water and sand, which kind of now double sucks. You know what I'm saying? But we're going to take it out of here. We're going to drag it out. $75 flat fee. We're in Frisco, Texas right now, guys. We're knocking this out. I will talk to y'all later. Don't forget, if you need a basketball goal removed in Frisco, it is $75. Give us a call, 214-777-3095, or check us out online at JunkGuysDfw.com. Bye-bye.